How long have you been doing this?
For about 2 years.
2 years? And you're thinking about getting an AI employee, even though you've never closed a client in 2 years. You'll just happen to have an AI employee that could handle all your loads of clients that are going to come out of thin air.
I mean, now the way you put it, it's a
Oh,
little bit ridiculous. I just had a question in terms of, in the last session we discussed that maybe I should be charging quite a lot for what we discussed. Given the fact that most of them can't afford it because they don't have clients yet or have very few clients, I was thinking maybe reducing the amount of time from 3 months to 1 month, and then having it as a small group.
with a different price?
Yeah, so like a thousand
Just
five
find. Why
hundred.
don't you just find people that can afford it?
That has been a challenge. Yeah, maybe now with the script. But I think what is in the pitch right now, it's probably 3 months is too long for it.
Yeah, just do two calls a couple weeks.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And I think you said charge 5K for that, right?
I would.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna give it a try. Maybe now with the pitch, it would be a lot more enticing.
What do you believe it's not going to work?
Um, it's just been my experience that, they are so I mean, they just don't want to pay. Versus having said that, I have people that haven't got clients and they've invested. But
Yeah.
it's a matter of finding those. And maybe with the understanding of the script, maybe I can get them to there, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
So let me experiment.
Your
And
your like here's the thing. If you're going to get an experience if you have the wrong sales process and you have a bad offer. You're going to get an experience of I don't have the money and it's going to color
right.
your world. And you're going to think that everybody doesn't have money and it's going to start to infect your thinking.
Yeah.
Well, when you have an offer that people want and you have an offer that makes all of a sudden the same person that had no money just found a bank
Yeah.
account randomly with
Yeah.
they just liquidated their Roth IRA, their 401k or something. They just all of a sudden money just appeared because of the
Yeah.
right offer came across the table. So it's not they don't have enough money unless you get their bank accounts. Like again, unless you
Yeah.
I want to see all your cards on the table. If that's the actual truth and you really want this, that's the only thing that it could be is
Mm-mm.
money. Well, in that case, then it's the market. But and that's why what I like I have more data than you.
Yeah. Yeah.
I actually have gotten like on calls and I'm actually opening up their wallets and they actually don't have any money,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? But I still am making more money because I'm like I'll take whatever 400, $500 down. Cool. Cuz I know my offer works, you'll make money and you'll pay it back.
Yeah.
There's a
Yeah.
lot of people that paid everything up in full after they worked with me.
Yeah.
They got the money.
Yeah.
So, well, who cares? Split it up. So here, role play it with me. I want you to give me a case, the exact person you're thinking of right now. Role play what
Mhm.
she said. All right, so it's going to be two calls. It's going to be 5 grand.
Okay. Right now, I just don't have the money. I'm actually cleaning houses. I've got kids.
Gotcha. So the money aside, the most important question is how do you feel about this process? Do you still feel like this is what you need to get you to 12,000 a month, which is your goal?
Yeah. Yes.
Why?
Um, that at this stage, she also said, look, I should say that when I get the money, you're not the top priority because I've already went on a 5-day challenge with somebody and they had AI, and she's under the impression that the AI is going to create everything for her.
Okay, so it's your offer.
Right.
You can't make her more certain in your offer. So okay,
Yeah.
I'll keep trying, but so okay, that aside, is this what you want to do? Is this the most important thing? If you had the money right now, is this what you would do right now?
Right.
No. Okay, got it. Well, let's talk about that because that's the objection. I don't think this is what I need, and I don't think this is what'll help me. Help me.
Right, right, right.
Yeah, so it's an
Yeah,
offer thing. They will
yeah,
find the money, they will get the credit, they will do what they got to do to get in.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, amazing. Thank
Yeah,
you.
so you don't misdiagnose the issue.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So she thinks
Yeah.
this AI thing, you got to so that was in the solution section of the pitch or in the script. You didn't check that box, I can guarantee it.
I did, but she didn't tell me. I said, "What have you tried?" I can't remember off the top of my head. This didn't come up then.
Here, so let me
So,
ask it, let me try it. So what have you tried to solve this issue?
uh, I've done a few free things.
Okay. What are those
Then,
things?
yeah, I didn't ask that. Yeah, I didn't ask at the time what were those things. Yeah.
Well, let's keep going. What are those things? What did you try?
Okay. I tried a couple of free challenges.
Okay. How'd it go?
One of them was really good. They're also based in Netherlands. There's two guys.
Question
Uh,
real
they,
quick. Good as in like it was entertaining or good as it solved your problem forever?
uh, it I don't know, but they're using a lot of AI, and it
I know,
seemed
but
that
the question is it good that they were entertaining or that it solved your problem forever?
I got a few things really sorted out.
Did it solve the problem?
No, because I
Okay, why
have
do you feel
tried.
like that the challenge and this and that and the other thing didn't solve your problem forever? Why do you feel like it's still not working?
Well, because it was only a free 5-day challenge, and it
Mm,
wasn't long enough to address the full thing.
got it. So what do you feel like you need to for certain solve this problem forever?
I need to really go for proper support.
What does that look like to you?
So I need to make the money to be able to pay for for support.
No, no, that's not the question. Again, you're not answering the question.
Okay.
What I would say, I would pause. When I ask a question, can you answer it, please? I would say that to the prospect.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So you train them to talk
Yeah.
properly to you.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Why? So what was the question that I asked?
Um, why is that important for you? I think.
No, it was what kind of solution do you need?
Mhm.
So what do you feel like you need to solve this problem?
So I need a solution that has AI because when
Okay.
I did this
There
challenge,
we go. That's the belief. You should have shifted the belief in the discovery. I need a solution that involves AI. Got it.
mm,
Why do you feel so strongly that you need a solution that involves AI?
because when I did this challenge, it sounded as if the AI thing was going to be an employee and basically do everything for me. So I didn't need to get my hands dirty at all.
Hmm. Why do you want to avoid that?
Because I just want to concentrate on coaching and not
Hmm.
everything else related to business.
Hmm. Gotcha. And how much money is your business doing right now?
And zero.
Have you ever sold it, closed a client?
No.
Gotcha. And you've never closed a client, but you want to outsource it this early on.
Mm. Yeah, I'm thinking about the future.
What's the future?
When I do get clients,
And how long have you been doing this?
for about 2 years.
2 years?
Hmm.
And you're thinking about getting an AI employee, even though you've never closed a client in 2 years. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just thinking when I get loads of clients instead of,
You'll just happen to have an AI employee that could handle all your loads of clients that are going to come out of thin air.
yeah.
Like you saying, yeah, like you that's your plan, or like, yeah, like I agree. Like, what are your thoughts
Yeah,
on
I mean,
this?
it's not the way you put it, it's a
Oh,
little bit ridiculous.
why do you
Yeah,
think it's ridiculous?
because I don't even have clients yet, and I'm thinking about outsourcing stuff.
Okay. So what do you actually feel like you need?
Getting clients, something that helps me get clients.
So like in what time period? In another 2 years or
No.
fast?
Fast.
Got it. So you want a way to get clients fast.
Yes.
Gotcha. Well, guess what? Your offer is perfect for that.
Yeah.
So
So
she had a
that's
belief. She got hypnotized by another guru
yeah.
that
Yeah.
that she needs AI, and that because that's what you do in a solution. You basically make people you throw rocks at every other solution, and then
Mm-mm-mm.
what happens is someone's mind is like, I need AI to make money, and then they become clones because they got fucking programmed by a
Yeah.
marketer who understands the human mind. And we're in
Got
a war of the minds. That's what we're in. And
yeah.
when you get on sales calls, your entire job is to undo that hypnotism.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what you're doing. You're waking them up a little bit.
Yes. Yeah.
And you kept her asleep.
Yeah.
Now she's
And
gonna
also,
be running around looking for an AI bot to go fucking solve
yeah, it's
her.
ridiculous.
It's
Yeah.
stupid.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
the guys, so you need to go through the sales section of the course again, and
Again.
you
Yeah.
you need to go through it in full to the
Yeah.
end of the video because I
Yes.
explain exactly why we have the notes, how to write the notes, how to check the boxes, how to follow the script, how to follow the pitch, how to tie them down. You need sales training. You need it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I do. I
All right.
agree. But
Yes.
this has been really helpful. Thank you.
Excellent. So go back through the sales section. Don't change
Yeah.
a shit. Follow it
Yeah.
exactly as is. It's too
Yeah.
scientific for you to go off into Pluto and do it your own way. I'm
Yeah.
sorry. Okay. Good.
Not sure. Amazing.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Cool. All right. So that's everything is handled in the discovery. And the discovery is in the DMs and it's in the fucking call.
Yeah.
But you can ask questions before you drop the price, they will answer anything you want. After
Yeah.
you drop the price, that's when they'll close up. So you ain't gonna be objection handling them to death.
Mm-mm-mm.
Unless you're really, really good at objection handling. And objection handling is pretty hard.
I'm not. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't like objection handling.
Mm.
If I miss it in the discovery and I get the objection, I'm like, ah shit, I missed it. All right, bye. Talk to you later. Go back through my funnel and see if we could talk again later.
Yeah.